Now, it took me about 45 minutes to install Faucet Grip, which is totally ridiculous. It should take about 2 or 3 minutes to install the thing. Hello, thanks for watching the video. So sometimes these outdoor faucets that have a round handle like this can get stiff if they haven't been turned in a long time, months or maybe even a year or so. Yeah, the rubber seals can get stiff, or whatever makes them stiff from just not using them. Can be hard to make them turn. So if you're trying to turn them on sometimes, if you got arthritis, it can be very painful. And turning them off, same thing. And a lot of times I've seen where people have tried to turn them off. They think they've got them off, they'll walk away and they'll still be dripping. You know, it could be that way for weeks. So we're going to try something a little different that I came across, and that is Faucet Grip. Okay, it's designed for the round faucets like you see here. There are hardware. It's got some screws. We're going to take a look at what we do with those. But here's what we want to end up with ultimately: just an easier grip for some of these very difficult to turn round faucet handles. And here's the installation. I'll just show you the picture. It says align 2 holes in the faucet grip with slots in the existing faucet head and attach as shown. So yeah, 2 screws go through here, and then we have nuts on the other end, and we'll just tighten those screws. Faucet handle has many holes, and we just line up 2 of them with the slots. Now, I don't know how they're going to stay in there because there are no washers and those nuts are very small, so it's looking like we're going to have to line up very close to the center or on the end here somewhere, and let me show you what I mean. So as you can see, if it went in straight like this, it's just not going to hold, so it has to grip, I guess, over here like that, or maybe like that. And like I said, see where we're going to be catching at right there. So these nuts are so small that if you do have arthritis, it's going to be a real struggle for you to put these on. Let me do the other one. All right, I've got a Phillips head screwdriver, so I'm just going to try to hold the Once it catches, you don't really need to hold it. It's getting pretty tight. Here we are 30 minutes later. Had to find my own washers. Fortunately, I had these. We're going to try to incorporate them with Faucet Grip, which is not working because the little nuts are coming out. They're not catching in here. And why would they catch in there, especially if you want to get it really tight? The more I tightened it, they came out of where they were. They were kind of in here. But that was inevitable for that to come off, so I'm not happy about that design. Let's try to put some of these washers on and see if we can close some of that space and tighten it better. All right, now we put the washer on first. Follow up with the nut. All right, so finally got the washer and the nut started on this left side. Now we're just tightening it, and it's looking like we're going to have to try to hold the nut to even do that. It's not going to catch. Let's try this other side. Okay, so you're not going to want to tighten it too much, because if you do, it's going to make the nuts try to come back through the front top. Okay, here we are. Finally, after about 45 minutes, if you have arthritis, I don't know how you're going to do this. I had to provide my own washers. I don't know if there's a secret to doing this with just the screws and the nuts. It didn't work on mine, and I think mine is pretty a pretty standard handle. So good luck if you don't have the washers. I mean, just throw the washers in. This is ridiculous. I thought maybe I did something wrong, but I doubt it. So anyway, good luck if you get Faucet Grip. And it might be a good idea to go ahead and get some washers, little washers, if you do get this. Maybe they've upgraded it now. Maybe it does have washers. I'm going to have to read the reviews. But yeah, 45. This should have taken like 2 minutes to do this thing. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I'm very frustrated with this. I will keep it on. Let's just hope we can put this. Yeah, we can do this. Put this on. But yeah, it is much easier to turn it on and turn the thing off. You probably have to have somebody install it if you do have arthritis. All right, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.